Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. Micron technology has been rooted in China for decades, and its NAND, DRAM and other storage devices have covered many industries, and has broad market prospects in the construction of important information systems. However, since this period of time, Micron technology has been doing some shady things behind the scenes, especially for Micron Technology's information security issues, and even launched an investigation against it at the national level. The final conclusion is that Micron Technology failed the audit. At the same time, they also ordered that the country's important communication equipment operators be prohibited from buying anything from Micron Technology. Foreign media commented, "China has finally come out. The problem of Micron Technology has reached the point where it cannot be handled. There are many world-class semiconductor companies in the United States, such as Qualcomm, Intel, and Nvidia, all of which are leaders in their own industries. For the United States, Micron Technology is also a big competitor. This company can be described as the last life-saving straw in the United States, and it is also the only few giants in the largest memory industry in the United States. Micron Technology ranks second in the world, behind South Korea's Samsung and Japan's Hynix. DRAM is Micron Technology's largest revenue generator, accounting for 74% in the past year, while NAND is its secondary revenue generator, accounting for 24% in the past year. In addition, there are some other storage devices, which are the main sources of revenue for Micron Technology. In terms of revenue, China contributed 11% of revenue, so China is the second largest source of sales for Micron Technology. However, after the Chinese company showed it soared to Micron Technology, it is still unknown whether this income level can be maintained. It can be seen from the government's announcement that Micron Technology's products have serious security flaws. According to relevant regulations, the country's important information infrastructure operators are prohibited from purchasing Micron Technology's products. The Micron Technology incident shocked the entire technology circle, and Micron Technology was also exposed. It turned out that the American company did a lot of tricks behind the scenes, cooperated with the US government, and put pressure on Chinese companies through the channels of the US government. Whether it is Fujian Jinhua, Yangtze River Storage, or Changshan Storage, these targets sanctioned by the United States all have the shadow of Micron Technology behind them. It can be said that without the existence of Micron Technology, the domestic storage industry would not be as it's so booming now. With the results of Micron Technology's investigation of Chinese companies, foreign media have commented, China has finally come up with its own sharp knife. Micron Technology's problems have reached the point where it cannot be controlled. Because Micron Technology has banned some important technologies, resulting in gaps in the corresponding industries, this may give local companies an excellent opportunity. The US has asked South Korea that if China refuses to allow Micron Technology to export its goods, the South Korean company cannot increase its exports to capture the market. This is tantamount to a divine assist for Chinese memory companies, because Micron Technology's products are prohibited from being sold, and Korean companies cannot fill the gap, which provides domestic companies with a large number of export opportunities. In other countries, flash memory and memory are not without substitutes. In the field of NAND, 232 levels of NAND memory have been realized. In recent years, YMTC has made some progress in the field of NAND memory technology. At present, YMTC's NAND memory has reached the most advanced memory in the world. Standard. Although there is still a gap in the market share of YMTC compared with foreign capital, it is highly competitive among similar products. With the changes of Micron technology, they will get greater development opportunities. In the field of DRAM, Changson's ability is also quite outstanding. Its production technology has reached 28 nanometers, 22 nanometers, 17 nanometers, or even higher levels. Through continuous improvement of its production technology, Changson's market share rate has reached the top 5 levels in the world. Some time ago, market sources revealed that Changshan Storage is preparing to launch an Impact on the Science and Technology Innovation Board, and is expected to conduct an IPO at a price of no less than 100 billion. If Changshan Memory can be successfully listed, it will speed up the fundraising speed, invest more research results in the industrial field, so as to obtain more profits, and thus narrow the distance with large foreign companies. China's declaration of war on Micron technology will bring huge development opportunities to China's memory industry, and Micron technology will also be punished for not meeting China's standards. Originally, Korean companies still have a great possibility to grab the cake of Micron technology, but the United States has already opened their mouths. If Korean companies do not obey the instructions of the United States, it is difficult to guarantee that the United States will not treat them take special care. At that time, China's memory industry can only rely on local domestic companies, but fortunately, both Yangtze River Storage and Changshan Storage have lived up to their expectations and are still increasing investment. But in the long run, China's memory industry still has a long way to go, which requires domestic manufacturers to work harder on technology, strengthen their own research on technology, improve their technical level, and high-quality products. In terms of production capacity, it is necessary to increase investment in the construction of production lines and improve production efficiency to improve production capacity and product competitiveness. At critical moments, the support of the upstream and downstream industrial chains is also inseparable. Therefore, it is necessary to promote collaboration and complementarity between the upstream and downstream of the industrial chain to further enhance industrial competitiveness and comprehensive strength. China has a vast chip market, which can provide domestic manufacturers with good development opportunities. After foreign giants suffer setbacks, it depends on the performance of domestic manufacturers.